Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel Teach with Sonam. Friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make GIF from video. I'm gonna teach you in a Photoshop. So friends, now let's start the video. So guys, first of all click on the file and here click on the import and click on the video frame 2 layer. After this guys, import your video. So this is my video, so I want from here, and let's end this. So this is the selected area, this is in point and this is out point. So after this press then OK. So now my video is importing in a layer. So after this guys, click on the file and here click on the save for WAV. Guys, you can see preview by clicking on this button, and if you want to reduce your GIF size, this is in now full HD. So I don't want in full HD and high MB, so I just want in low quality. So I just reduce the size of this 800 by 450. You can take anything you want, and after this click on the save button. Now choose the destination you want to save. So I'm saving in my download, so I just rename this GIF image and I make it me_01 and press then save. So this is now converting. Now let's check the preview. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment below, and if you are new on my channel, so please hit the subscribe button for more videos.